What comes to your mind when you hear the word artificial intelligence? Some people may think supercomputers or AI, just like Hypergator in UF. While supercomputers enhance the ability of AI, they are not the AI. How about Jarvis from Iron Man? Well, Jarvis is one type of AI, but not all AI is like Jarvis. Some AIs do not have such voice functions, and it only gives an output of numbers. The definition of artificial intelligence is unclear and varies depending on the scholars. Russell and Norving summarize different definitions. AI is an intelligent agent that takes the best possible actions. This can be paraphrased into the following. AI mimics the human ability to solve problems and to make decisions. Next, let's look at the 4 conditions of AI, also known as Turing test. The Turing test is a test of machine determining whether a machine is capable of thinking like a human. AI needs to have the 4 functions in order to pass the Turing test. These 4 functions are natural language processing, knowledge representation, automated reasoning, and machine learning. Now, let's dive deeper into each part of AI. First, let's talk about the natural language processing. Natural language processing is a communication between human and computer through language, primarily in English. The tasks include recognizing human speech, tagging speech based on human grammar and words, and even analyzing sentiments of the speech. Natural language processing is important because our thoughts and human-created informations are created by human language. Therefore, the AI must understand the human language to gain information, or the humans have to manually convert the human languages into binary codes. One of the most popular examples would be Google Translate, that translates lots of different languages. Next part of AI would be knowledge representation. Knowledge representation is representing information about the real world so that a computer can understand and can utilize this knowledge to solve complex real-world problems. Consider the next example. If you're to represent the knowledge of the car, then the steps would be simple. You may represent it by breaking into pieces such as wheel, body, and engine. However, what if you were to represent the data of love? It would be very challenging. There are 5 different types of knowledge, and each one has a different method of representing knowledge. Declarative knowledge is to know about something. It includes concepts, facts, and objects. Procedural knowledge is a type of knowledge which is responsible for knowing how to do something. Knowledge about other types of knowledge is called meta-knowledge. Heuristic knowledge is rules based on previous experience which are good to work but not guaranteed. Structural knowledge is basic knowledge to problem solving. It's about the relationship between concepts or objects. These knowledge make up an object, event, performance, or facts. Next important part of AI is automated reasoning. Let's go back to ancient Greece. Aristotle formalized the roots of logic, and other famous mathematicians founded the fundamentals of mathematics. However, these days, computers are replacing their jobs. Automated reasoning is to use the stored information to answer questions and to draw new conclusions. Implementing on a computer to prove theorems of the calculus in an efficient manner would be one example. This field is one of the most challenging parts of AI. One of the most popular questions that AI is trying to solve is whether a certain program is runnable or not. The last and the most important aspect of AI is machine learning. Machine learning is to adapt to new circumstances and to detect and extrapolate patterns. Without being explicitly programmed, machine learning enables computer programs to learn. In other words, machine learning is pulling out patterns from data. One common way to do this is by making a neural network. The neural network takes in inputs, x, which are weighted, w, to get an output, y. AI helps to detect patterns from inputs that decide the outputs. The pattern in neural work is weight. The goal of machine learning is to train the AI to create a model that predicts the future using the past data. This area is being researched actively as it can be applied to various fields of study and industries. Since I finished explaining the most basics of AI, I'm going to explain more about how AI can be used by suggesting two applications of AI. Artificial intelligence can be applied to most of the industry and research fields. First, AI is used in Florida Museum of Natural History. The AI for culture and biological diversity uses the climate information to predict the future climate. One example would be measuring PNV, potential natural vegetation, where the AI predicts the hypothetical vegetation when humans have not disturbed the natural vegetation. Another way AI can be used is to assist medical research. In the veterinary school at UF, the research regarding the tumor is performed. The model is created by training the AI with the gene information from dogs and is used to predict the tumor of humans. This could be possible due to machine learning as it extrapolates the model from the pre-existing data. While AI techniques are advancing and used in lots of fields, it is still hard to say that these are artificial intelligence. A data science Keith Lee believes current technology is just an integrated intelligence that finds the pattern by statistically analyzing big data. He suggests that future research topics be about mimicking human intelligence by cracking the code of the brain and learning how our neurons interact with other neurons. In this video, I have talked about the brief definition of AI, the 4 types of Turing tests done to AIs, which are natural language processing, knowledge representation, automated reasoning, and machine learning. Also, I have explained how AIs can be used in research and the challenges that AIs are facing. I hope this video helped you understand the AI field better, and thank you for watching the video. Work cites are provided